Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go ahead and draw a cat. I just thought it'd be kind of cool, easy, simple. Let's jump into it. All right, I'm going to go over here. Left side of the face. Going to go over here in the right side of the face. Going to go over here and actually going to close off the top here. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like if you do like cats in general. The whole channel here survives on likes, so definitely hit that like button if you do. Over here at the top, gonna go over here for one ear, up, down, such that triangle shape. Over here, down here, triangle shape. I'm gonna pull a line all the way from the tip here down. Over here, tip over here, down. It's over here. I'm going to draw a circle for one eye. Over here. Circle for the other eye. Line over here, halfway through it. Leave that empty side over there for a highlight. Same thing over here. Straight line. Down, down. Down over here. Straight line across. And now I want to make this dude smile. Up over here. Underneath, I have his tongue out, and line, line, line. I'm aware this doesn't go with a monster theme of the channel or bad guy theme. I just thought, I don't know, it was kind of related, maybe. You know, cats in the Matrix. Give me some suggestions to do, and I'll make them happen. You just gotta let me know. Let's go over here to the body over here. I'm gonna pull down right here. Pulling in, curve. Curve up, straight, down, across, up here. I'm gonna go over here on this side, curve down, down over here, curve, cross, up. We got those feet. And on those feet themselves, you could draw like lines in them, like 1, 2 right here, 1, 2 to make it, you know, those paws come out. Go over here. We make a thicker line over here to make it look like there's a shadow. Definitely, you know, useful for that. You want to make it seem like a little better. Maybe a line over here, kind of for an eyebrow. 3 dots on the face over here on the left side and the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We go over here, and I'm gonna give it a thicker line around the outside edge only. The reason I do that is because I think it's a good idea. I think it makes it look a lot nicer, and that's just my opinion. This is a style points thing. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw. I usually draw scary stuff and seasonal stuff. So give me ideas for scary stuff. I'm running out of ideas for scary, you know, or what else is there? Maybe bad guys in video games or bad guys in movies or something like that. You know, monsters. Run ideas for monsters, so definitely give me more monster ideas. Go over here to the top. Curve. Cross over here. Over here. And down. And that's mostly it. If you want to add some extra stuff, we could probably fix it, repair a couple of lines here. You can add maybe underneath his face, right there. There's always stuff you can draw to you can add to a drawing. Maybe a line here, real thin line here to give it a little bit of detail. there's always stuff you can add to a drawing, and that's kind of what I want to teach you. It's remarkably easy to get caught up in details, but I think when you can keep adding stuff, it gives it like a sense of life, and you're very much like, into it. But that's pretty much it. I have full online course on how to draw your cat online, and that's on my Skillshare, which I'm going to talk about after this. That's gonna be like an announcement after this. I have an entire course on how to draw your cat if you own a cat, right? But that's pretty much it. I will talk to you later, and I will talk to you very soon. I think that's it for announcements. If anybody, like I said, wants to reach out, say hi to me. If you can hear my voice right now, please say hi in the comments, and I will respond to every single comment. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. And yeah, talk to you very soon, all right? See ya.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.